Want a wooden ship model that is impressive to build without spending weeks on rigging? Then the Robert E. Lee Steamboat from Amati might just be your next project. Let's crack open this 1:150 scale kit and check out what's inside. The very first Robert E. Lee model kit from Amati was introduced back in the early 1970s, during a time when the company was launching a wave of historically themed ship kits for modelers around the world. The one we are unboxing today is their latest 2024 edition, a modern update with clear, step-by-step instructions and full-color photos. It offers a complete and authentic building experience while keeping that classic Amati craftsmanship alive. The photo-etched brass railings and the decorations are absolutely gorgeous. And the laser-cut plywood parts really show off Amati's top-notch quality. Unlike most of the Amati's plank-on-frame ship kits, this one comes with a pre-built solid wood hull and is impressive. It's heavy, perfectly shaped, and super smooth. Honestly, this is the best solid wood hull I've seen so far. Well done, Amati. The turned wooden smokestacks look like something straight out of a luxury chess set. Smooth, shiny, and perfectly shaped. I swear, they must have come off a CNC lathe or something. They're lab precise. And check this out. The metal parts come packed in these little boxes that looks like jewelry cases. But hey, word of advice, don't show this to your lady. Mine would spot them and say, "Oh, you got me something shiny." And then I'd have to explain it's just tiny paddle wheel parts. The CNC brass and cast metal parts inside are just super. Clean, crisp, and packed with detail. Big thumbs up to Amati for that. Once finished, the model measures about 60 centimeters long, 18 centimeters wide, and 30 centimeters tall. And 1:150 scale is pretty close to N scale for those of you who are into trains or locomotives. It's the perfect size to shine as a standalone showpiece or to fit beautifully into detailed diorama. The kit currently goes for about 310 euros or roughly 360 US dollars before tax. And is estimated to take around 300 to 400 hours to complete. That's about $1 per hour of fun. Honestly, I don't know where else you can get a deal like that. One last tip, if you want to make your build as historically accurate as possible, check out the historical photos and prints at the Indiana History Library archives. They have got some great references of the real Robert E. Lee. That's it for today's unboxing. See you all in the build video.